ties between me and the people and leaders of Embu. Who could imagine there could be the slightest issue between us and any leader from Embu or any person from Embu? Because this is home, so there is no cause of alarm. I saw there were some politicians that are trying to create problems, and there are no problems. And to demonstrate there are no problems, apart from what DG has said, I bring you greetings from my sister, Ses Mbaride, the governor of Embu County. She could not be with us because the president has called another meeting at 2 o'clock in State House on livestock vaccination with all governors. That's where she is. She could not be here and be back before 2. And that's why the minister also for agriculture is not here, because he's supposed to be in that meeting. Other than that, we are doing very well.
Or anyone, a reader from Embu, who is imagining or dreaming that we can get out of the government, aende ambie mama yake atuwezi toka kwa serikali. Hii serikali, Your Excellency, tulitafuta na shida mingi sana. Nakumbuka Your Excellency ukiwa juu ya roli, tukitembea kaunti mzima, ukiwa natuongoza tukitafuta kula under UDA. There's no way we can look for government. Wakati matunda inagawa, tuanze kutoka. Those distractors, people who are saying that or trying to imagine we can get out of the government, waambiwe atuwezi toka kwa serikali. We are there to stay for the next 3 years and for the next 5 years. Finally, Your Excellency, I'm saying that because a few days ago, there are some masqueraders who are moving in some parts of this county, pretending to be voicing for the Mira farmers. And I was surprised. So, Your Excellency, those masqueraders, we are not a part of it. We know exactly where the problem for the farmers is. Deal with it as it is. And that's Your Excellency, tunakupenda. Hapa ni nyumbani kwako. Ukisema hata ni table room ama bedroom, hapo tuko sawa. So may God bless you. Mungu awabariki sana. Na I wish you all the best in your deliberation this afternoon.